as soon as you guys get up there. Steersman.
Go Tutus!
Here to come. It's going to be a photo finish. Aloha today. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
All right.
Yeah! Woo! Go volleyball! Go! Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo! Come on, Sean! Volleyball, the winning round.
Here with some highs of good costumes and lows of no costume. The Water Women were our winners this year. Key factors were their coordination, their enthusiasm, their handmade floral hats from their gardens, and their excitement to be first-timers in Outrigger Races.
Papalina